because no president had ever really even come close to that line, it was written in the Constitution, but there was no kind of case law. There was no precedent. There was nothing for the courts to go on. The courts love precedent. And so by sort of shattering the norm, Trump gave himself this enormous head start, where for the last couple of years, or last 3 years, all the people who sued him over the Emoluments Clause have been bogged down in just the initial step. Well, who can sue the president over the Emoluments Clause? Whose job is it to enforce that? We've seen all the different avenues that have been tried. There's plaintiffs from the D.C. and Maryland Attorney Generals. There's Democratic members of Congress. All of them have been rejected at one stage or the other, and they haven't even gotten sort of over the hump of getting discoveries or learning what business Trump has done with foreign governments.
David, the president and his allies have, as you know, gone after the Biden family and Hunter Biden for, they say, profiting off of his father's name by taking a job on the board of this Ukrainian gas company, Burisma. Is anyone looking into the president's children and whether they have been able to profit off of his presidency?
So the two sons, Don Jr. and Eric, who were out of the White House, still run the Trump Organization, which has always profited off the Trump name. Now that Trump is the president, they profit off the name of the president. So that means at Mar-a-Lago, Bedminster, Trump Hotel in D.C., places where the president often goes, the value of those places to potential customers is astronomically raised, because if you get there and you get the president's ear, you can influence his decisions on a number of topics. So I feel like they've taken a job with a new company, as far as we know, but their old company has been sort of retooled to profit where it can off the president's name. There's one other aspect of this that I think we're just learning about. We published a story about it last week, which is the Trump Organization charges the taxpayers, us, to house Trump's own Secret Service agents. When Trump goes to his properties, Secret Service agents go with him. They have to. And the Trump Organization has chosen to charge those Secret Service agents above market rates, like $650 a night for a hotel room, $17,000 a month for a cottage in Bedminster, New Jersey, and the taxpayers pay. So that's something where they're directly profiting off the taxpayer because Trump is president.
His name is Barrett Thorold of the Washington Post. David will be following all these threads along with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And here now is a production of NPR WBUR in association with the BBC World Service. I'm Jeremy Howson.